chicken shawarma recipe. For pita bread, self-rising flour 250 grams, flour 125 grams, yeast 7 grams, salt 7 grams, milk 225 ml. For salad, vinegar 1 full cup, carrot julienne 1, cucumber julienne 1 with skin, beetroot julienne half, salt a pinch. For chicken, chicken breast thin sliced 150 gram, oil 2 tablespoon, garlic 1 teaspoon, crushed red chili 1 teaspoon, salt to taste. For hummus, chickpeas 1 cup boiled, black pepper half teaspoon, curd 250 grams, salt a pinch, tahini sauce 2 tablespoon. How to make pita bread for shawarma. Combine self-rising flour and maida flour, yeast and salt and mix well. Add a little milk to the mixture and mix it well. Make sure that yeast grains and salt are mixed completely in the mixture. Now add remaining milk and sesame oil and mix well. Now knead the mixture. In order to knead the dough more effectively, put it on countertop. Add oil to knead if dough is too sticky as to make it as soft as possible. Once oil is mixed thoroughly in the dough, sprinkle some flour on the countertop. Knead the dough so it becomes big, soft and firm. Leave aside for 10 minutes. Preheat oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Make medium-sized balls with the dough you made. Spread the balls on floured surface of countertop. Flatten in desired size round breads using a rolling pin. Grease baking tray and place the breads. Place the tray on lower rack of preheated oven. Bake pita bread for 8 to 10 minutes. Watch from the oven glass if the bread has risen. Once it has risen, pita bread is ready. How to make chicken shawarma salad. First, heat the vinegar in a pan. Add julienne carrot, julienne cucumber and salt. Once vegetables become tender, remove from the pan, place in a bowl aside. Now add beetroot to the vinegar in pan and cook for a while. Once it becomes tender, remove from the pan and place in the vegetables bowl. Chicken shawarma salad is ready. How to make chicken for shawarma. Heat oil in a pan, add garlic and saute fry. Add chicken, salt and red chilies. Cook till chicken is done. Chicken is ready to use in shawarma. How to make hummus for shawarma. Blend chickpeas, tahini sauce, curd, salt and black pepper in a blender well. Hummus is ready to use in shawarma. How to make chicken shawarma. Cut pita bread from the middle, shaping it like a pocket. Fill in the salad, hummus and chicken. Chicken shawarma is ready. Serve hot and enjoy either as snack or as a main course meal.